Hey guys, so today I will be using the Zodiac palette again. So this time I will be using the air elements. With the lightest shade, I'm going to put it all over. Decided I'm going to do a halo eye. So with the blue color, I'm going to put it on the outer corner, kind of making like a V shape, and then in the inner corner. And then connecting them. So when you only have 3 colors to work with, it's all about building up the intensity. So just gradually building it up and blending. I'm also going to go in with the pink and blend it above. And it's kind of making a purple shade, so kind of liking it. Take the goldish shade and apply it to the center of my lid. I'm going to take the blue and kind of try to blend the gold and the blue together. So I have gold on one side of my brush and blue on the other side, and I'm just flipping them back and forth and kind of blending them. So it just has like a gradual fade. Take some of that gold onto my finger and just pat it on the center. And I'm going to apply the blue in the outer corner and the inner corner. And then I'm going to take my flat brush and with the leftover gold, kind of blending the two together. Then with my little tiny brush, I'm going to define right here. I'm going to go in with the pink color and kind of just blend that out a little. So I lined a little bit of the inside, but now I'm going to do my bottom half, and I'm probably just going to do the gold and then the blue. And I think I'm going to put some green on the inner waterline. Going to apply some mascara on my bottom lash line.